Albert Einstein was one of the most renowned scientists of the 20th century, famous for his contributions to the field of physics, including his theory of relativity. However, he was also a fascinating and complex person, with many interesting stories surrounding his life. One story that is often told about Einstein is that of his childhood. Born in Ulm, Germany in 1879, Einstein was a precocious child who showed an early interest in science and mathematics. He reportedly had a difficult time in school, as he found the traditional rote learning methods frustrating and boring. Instead, he preferred to pursue his own interests and ideas, often experimenting with new theories and concepts in his free time. As he grew older, Einstein's passion for science only intensified. He attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he earned a degree in physics. However, he struggled to find work in his field after graduation, and eventually ended up working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. It was during this time that he began to develop his theories on relativity, which would eventually revolutionize the field of physics. In 1905, Einstein published a series of papers that would establish his reputation as one of the leading minds in science. These papers included his theory of special relativity, which proposed that the laws of physics were the same for all observers, regardless of their relative motion. He also proposed the famous equation E equals mc superscript 2, which demonstrated the relationship between mass and energy. Despite his success, Einstein remained a humble and unassuming person throughout his life. He was known for his kindness and generosity, often using his fame and influence to support causes that he believed in, such as pacifism and civil rights. He was also a passionate musician and violinist, and once said that if he hadn't become a scientist, he would have become a musician. Einstein's legacy continues to inspire people around the world today. He is remembered not only for his groundbreaking scientific discoveries, but also for his humanity, curiosity, and love of learning. In addition to his scientific achievements, Einstein was also known for his wit and humor. He had a unique ability to convey complex ideas in simple terms, often using humor and metaphors to explain his theories. One famous example is the Einstein's elevator thought experiment, which he used to explain the concept of general relativity. He imagined an elevator in free fall, where objects inside the elevator appear to be weightless. This concept helped to illustrate how gravity and acceleration are related, and how the curvature of space and time can affect the behavior of objects in the universe. Einstein was also an accomplished musician and played the violin throughout his life. He believed that music and science were closely related, and that the beauty of music could inspire scientific insights. In his later years, Einstein became an outspoken advocate for peace and disarmament. He warned of the dangers of nuclear weapons and called for international cooperation to prevent war. He famously said, "I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones." Albert Einstein's life and work continue to inspire new generations of scientists and thinkers. His contributions to physics, mathematics, and philosophy have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. He was a true visionary, who used his intellect and imagination to explore the mysteries of the cosmos and the human mind.